Well, what do you think? I think it came out pretty good. I'm not sure that gluing these parts to the undersuit was a good idea. Although I like the way it looks, it came out the way I expected. I thought if I glued it on, it would take on the shape of the muscle suit that I was wearing. I think if I was at a con that I would have a lot of room and it would be comfortable and airy. The only problem is I did struggle just a little bit in getting this on. And then also when it came time for me to put my collar on and to put the mask on, it was a little cumbersome because of the arm armor. And then also I had the gloves, they were on the floor, so I bent down to pick them up and I could feel a seam that I had glued kind of pop in the thigh. So maybe these things should be freely moving or sitting on the costume without being glued down, because it's too easy to pop the seams. But anyway, feel free to leave comments. Tell me what you think about this build. Tell me how you think I did. But yeah, I'm really loving the look, the way that the paint came out, just everything about it. I think this is going to be one of the best builds that I've made. So anyway, thank you for tuning in to Master of None. Stay tuned for when I do the shin armor, and then I'll do like a full video from head to toe. All right? Bros, stay batty.